Yes, and then they
And
have
then
to
you can pose.
to something that's relatable. Okay, let's ask their names. Hi, what's your name?
Camille.
Hi, Camille.
Joyful. Christine.
Cyrus. Hi, Cyrus. Do you guys understand the game? Do you guys understand the game? Not really. They don't. Okay, so let's just say. Paano ba yung game? You know, like let's, for example, if you say halo halo, you would say sago or leche flan.
Pinipig.
Yes.
Okay, whatever.
But in this game, we're gonna say something like, let's just say hotel.
When
You have to do a
pose.
pose. When you think of a hotel, what's your pose?
So, on 3, kailangan yung ipakita yung pose na yon.
So parang 1, 2, 3, go!
Pose! Ganyan. And then kung mag-match kayo ni Park Seo-joon, then you win a prize. I'm sorry, you win a point. Okay? Alright, here we go. We can alternate with the words, and, okay? I will go with the first word. This is one by one, ha? So we can start with you. Here, you can, here. Actually, bawal hindi. Diba? Okay. Can I see your first word, please? Just woke up. 1, 2, 3, go! I said it! 1 point. See? You can go back. Our next player, please.
Our next player.
Hello, hello.
Okay. This is the second word.
Okay, go for it, Anne.
The second word is post-workout flex. 3, 2, 1, go!
It's his fault. Mas tama yung sa'yo. But okay. Oh, no point for you. I'm so sorry. Okay. Our next player. Come on down. Alright, here we go. Here we go. The pose that we're looking for is selfie. 1, 2, 3, go!
One point, one point.
Point. Our next player. Hi. Alright, here we go.
Okay, our next word is superhero. 3, 2, 1, go!
Sayang! Yung isa nasa taas, yung isa nasa baba. Congratulations, sorry.
So we're the ones who had a 1 point each.
Yes, we have 2 players with a point each, right? Okay, all right. We're gonna take it back to our first player again. Here we go. Let's see.
Thank you so much for joining the game, guys.
Thank you! Natalo sa game pero panalo pa rin. Alam niyo yun?
Yun eh, panalo pa rin kayo.
Correct, correct. Okay. This is kind of like the, let's see if we're gonna be able to actually narrow it down to a winner, yeah? Okay, here we go. Your next pose. Standing next to Park Seo-joon. Okay, are you ready? 3 poses consecutive. 3 poses consecutive, alright? Here we go. The word that we're looking for is be funny. 1, 2, 3, go! Pwede. Hoy, pumasa, pumasa. Pwede, okay. Our next word that you're gonna pose to is thinking. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, let's keep this going. Oh my gosh, you just might be the winner if you get this. Our next pose is for blinded by spotlight. 1, 2, 3, go!
All three. Hindi magpapatalo si Joy.
Joy? Sige nga, sige nga. We have a perfect score here, man.
I know. No, I have faith that Joy is going to bring so much joy into Park
I
Seo-joon's
believe
life.
you, I believe you. Okay.
Okay, tignan na natin. Ayan, okay. So, you have to get 3 in a row, okay, para matalo mo siya. Okay, the word that we are looking for is playing darts. Hindi niya alam yung darts.
Ay, nako, wala.
Next one,
Wala.
next one.
Wala.
No, you just have to guess now. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
Alam mo yung darts. Ikaw talaga.
1 point, 1 point. Okay, second word. Basketball. 3, 2, 1, go! Sorry.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Joy.
Yes, thank you. Cindy, congratulations.
Congratulations.
Our winner, everyone. Would you like to step forward? Okay, so once again, what you get is a photo moment with Pak Sojun later, right? And we also have goodies from Century Tuna. All right, thank you so much. Congratulations, Cindy. Thank you.
That was fun.
It was really fun.
Did you have fun? So June, did you have fun?
네, 너무 재밌었어요.
It was so much fun.
Big cheers one more time for our Superbad Sing players, and of course, Pak Sojun, you're such a great sport. That was a crowd favorite, obviously. Okay, so we're gonna take things in a delicious direction now because being fit for any role isn't just about movement, it is